Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the
Woo, guys, guess what? Today's sponsor of the video is Brunt Workwear. Check it out. Look what just showed up. All right, guys, look what we got here. Brunt hooked us up with some new boots. They said we need to try something out here. So you guys need to get some new boots on those feet that are working so hard, except for him, because he's not working hard. He's just watching me film a video right now. You want to grab the boots? Oh. Okay, at least help me since you're just staring at me. Oh my God. Oh, come on, Vic. Come on, Vic. All right, there you go. Slap him down. Let's open this box up. Why do mine look so small compared to those ones? You got me little baby boots. All right, here we go. Our adjustable system allows you to go from a regular Fit D to a relaxed Fit E Plus with ease. Oh, that would have been a lot easier to read if I know how to actually read, but we're blue collar. We just like nice boots. All right, let's check these guys out. Man, this packaging though. You got the sticker, you got like a nice cloth. There you go, there you go. Got the freshies. Look at that. And these ones are oil and slip resistant as well, which is perfect for what we're doing here. Ooh, guys, let me tell you, these things feel freaking amazing. Can't wait to put these things to work. But now, let's get back to your regularly scheduled program. What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. And today, in the shop, what we're working on, 58 frame. But before we get into the 58 frame, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. If you guys are old returning viewers, welcome. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, make sure you guys hit that like button. It helps us create and push content out your guys' way. Just to make things easier, helpful. You guys can watch what we're doing, get tips and tricks on stuff that we do every single day here at our business. For those of you guys that are new, or those of you guys that are older returning viewers and you guys just don't know, I'll give you guys a little background on us. We are Hoppos. We started back in 1989. My dad's the original owner and still is original owner. We all now work here. We are here in a facility in Riverside, California. And what we do is we manufacture hydraulic and air suspension components. And we used to do a lot of install, and then we have converted since then, and now just strictly into the manufacturing. But every once in a while, you guys will get lucky. You guys will see a build or a cool project that we're working on, just like the Acme truck that you guys saw in that last video, just like the 58 frame that you see here, or you get to see just a whole bunch of the manufacturing side, just like you see right here. And we are just cutting away. The guys are unloading the sheets right now off the laser, and we got tons and tons of brackets going on. Not all days here at the shop are nice and pretty. There's days where, well, you can't see him, he's walking back there. There's days where machinery breaks. And today is one of those days. Well, you see what had happened was, yeah, it's never a good day when you start seeing brand new Haas factory boxes here. That means something broke. Something breaks on those guys. It's not cheap. So that's always a bad day. Let me go see where he's at. When this guy's here, that means it's an expensive day. Right now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be jumping on finalizing the programming for the 58 frame. And this is what a lot of you guys don't see. Behind the scenes, the programming of these items. There's so many hours that go into just programming stuff. And the 58 frame kits, or any frame kits in general, takes a lot of time to go through, and we do things on those specifically for a specific reason. Like we do smaller pieces to make things easier for first-time welders. The reason we do that is you get a piece that's 4 feet long and you're off a 16th of an inch on the start, and you're an inexperienced welder or inexperienced person doing a frame, and you go and start welding that guy. By the time you get to the end of that 4-foot piece, that piece no longer fits on the frame or is like 6 inches off. And so that's the reason why we do smaller pieces. we do that to make it easier on the welder. It's more forgiving. We do it in smaller sections, that way you can practice. But we also do it to keep the shipping costs down too, because in order for me to ship pieces, if it's 4, 5, 6 feet long, now that has to go freight. Now your guys' bill just got higher. So we keep them in smaller pieces for that reason. So there's a lot of guys that are out there be like, oh man, it's too many pieces. And yeah, I mean, it is a lot of pieces, but it's also for the mass of people. There's a few guys that are very experienced in this, and there's a lot more of those guys that haven't done it or are not comfortable doing it. So that is the reason why we focus on getting those pieces down to more manageable sizes in order for you guys to be able to do it easier, faster, and more efficient, and not have as many screw ups. So right now I'm going to show you guys just a time lapse of me sitting here for probably, it's going to be a few hours, just finalizing the pieces on the computer of the frame kits. So here we go. Just like that, guys, the magic of YouTube. The guys are pulling off the very first 58 frame kit that we've built. Obviously we've done them in the past by hand, but this is actually the first one. We sat down, we did the templates, we did the programming we did all. Right now we're going to be doing our first test fit on it, but this is going to be the first test fit on the 58. This is one sheet of, I actually got another sheet or so to cut. We got it as tight as we can, but we're doing this to do a test fit to make sure everything's going to fit properly. Yeah, our templates are going to match up to what it needs to be done in metal, and that's going to be pretty much our goal here. Is a consumer-friendly kit that is easy to install by first-timers, DIYers, and even shops. So what's what we're working on right now? Let the guys unload everything. The machine behind me is still cutting some more, and Vic, again, look at it, just standing around. We just gave him some glue so he could glue his shoes down to the floor. In the meantime, real quick, while the guys are getting that off and the machine's still cutting, I got me some custom gravity-fed tanks I got to weld up with some custom branding that I got a TIG on here. Well, this is aluminum, but I'm going to TIG some studs onto each tank. That way they're removable. That way the tank could be painted and these logos could be chromed or vice versa. Either way. But that's what we're going to work on right now. And it's almost time to go. And I feel like today I just have not been able to do as much as I wanted to do. We had a lot of visitors in today, a lot of business meetings today, a lot of possible partnerships and deals and just stuff going on. Normal business, and just didn't account for that in time today. And I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I'm about to get to it right now. Get to it right now. Let's go. Today has been a freaking busy day, doing nothing but cutting, bending, and doing a whole bunch of new programs. Let me show you what's coming out of the machine right now. Hold on. It's a little slow. All right, whole bunch of drop down axle brackets. I got right around 50 on this sheet. I'm gonna do another 50 on this sheet. All right, so the first plate has pretty much been all taken off. The guys got it off of the laser. So I got about, I think it came out to 56 pieces on that one. Then we got a new sheet up already, and that one's cutting as well. That one I'm gonna get a little more pieces out of because the first one was just kind of had some scrap stuff on there. So yeah, I got about 100 pieces I gotta bend up right now. Gotta set up the brake and we'll get that going. So we got all those battery racks done, we got all those brackets done, got battery rack holders all done. The guys are working on cutting all the studs right now on the saw for all this inventory. We just cut through, which I didn't even record most of it just because it's been so busy, but we just cut through almost 18 sheets of 3/16 5x10s right now in one day. So it's been a little on the crazy side right now. I mean, orders and shipping has been ridiculous. The guys are working away in the machine shop right now. We got tons of items just being restocked. So we're working our best right now to keep you guys updated on everything. I know the videos have been a little slow progress getting everything going, but at this point right now, if you guys haven't already liked, shared, and subscribed, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe these videos. Again, I've said it in the past before, but your like, your share, your comment below helps us small creators like myself put out content for you guys, put out content for the lowrider community, put out content for the car enthusiasts. So if you guys could do that. With that being said, let's get back to work. Here we go. All right, so here we go, guys. Everyone's running? Everyone's running? I'll bring out the camera. Everyone just starts running. Vic, where are you going? We got battery racks being put away right now. Those are those 6 battery racks being put away. We also got a whole bunch of shipping. We got 4 pump setups behind us. We got gravity gears that just got assembled. We got tons and tons of shipping going out. I had to get me a Celsius because it's been one of those days. Guys over here get a little camera shy. We put the camera at them, but these guys are working away nice and hard. And then we got the ugly guy right here.
And the other guy over there.
Otra vez, otra vez. All these guys do a whole bunch of stuff on camera. As soon as I turn the camera right on them, they just literally, they get shy, they turn away. These guys are busting their butt over here. We got tons and tons of stuff going on today. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Let's get to work, guys. I just said that right now, but I was a little beat, had to go grab me a drink real quick, but here we go. Gustavo, why'd you run away when I put the camera? Everybody's running away. You look good, you look good. Yeah, you look good, don't worry. Oh, and the SL20, that got repaired, so that's good. That's up and running now, and we're able to make some parts off of that guy. So for right now, we got pretty much everything going. The guys are working on a whole bunch of Z-racks right here. Mike's working on those arms, and we're gonna get the press brake. Oh man, look at my sticker. Ah, it's falling down. All right, so we're gonna get the press brake set up real quick, and we gotta do some brackets for G-body drop downs. Mike's gonna continue on those arms. The guys are gonna continue on the Z-racks, and everyone's just in 100 places in 100 times, and it's, yeah. All right, I'm gonna actually get to work this time. I've already said it a few times, but I'm gonna actually get to work now. We just restocked on the 6 battery racks and the 2 battery racks, so I'm gonna work my way over to 3 battery racks right here. I'm able to squeeze out 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 on this sheet right here. The laser is cutting away in between all that. I did a whole bunch of Y-bone tabs on the excess. So this sheet is almost done. It's at the far side back there. So once this guy's done, I'm gonna get the press brake set up, like I said, on bending the 3 battery racks. Then I'm gonna, at the same time, cut the 4 battery racks. That way all the battery racks are back in stock and we're good to go. If it seems like we are like, wow, all over the place in this video, we are like, wow, all over the place in this video, because literally that's how it is here at the shop. Yeah, man, things are crazy, you know. It's we are very blessed. We are very blessed. We have great customers, great viewers, great support from all of the guys in the lower area community, and we're just very humbled, and we just love doing this work. As you can tell, we all laugh, we all joke, we all have a good time here. Don't get me wrong, things do get stressful and things get a little crazy at points where, you know, we get at each other's necks, but in the end of the day, we've all been with each other for so many years. A lot of us have. A lot of the guys that are newer, they jumped right in and they fit right along with us, and we are just so grateful for all the guys that put in so many hours and a lot of work, because I mean, we do more than just a standard 40-hour work week, you know. So appreciate all that, man. I appreciate these guys big time, seriously. And a lot of you guys also comment, and you know, when you guys come to the store, you guys say, man, Art's never here. Trust me, he is working harder than all of us, actually. But he does have a remote office where he's able to view and do everything from the comfort of, actually has like 2 remote offices. So he's able to travel. He's also able to stay at home and work and do all the other things he has to do. So things are going as smooth as we could hope for. You know, in business, you're always gonna have a whole bunch of ups and downs. Luckily for us, we've had more ups than downs, but we just continue to do what we do. Stay honest with you guys, stay truthful to you guys. We get a lot of offers to do branding deals with companies and do stuff with companies, but if the stuff is not up to par, I don't like to do that, because again, you know, all these years we've just been honest with you guys. We've been upfront and been trying to help you guys out, and you know, we want to see this community grow. We love this. This is what we do every single day. Yeah, so biggest thing, like I tell a lot of our guys, just got to be honest with the customers. You know, if something's going up, you know, going on, something's going wrong, there's a little time delay, just tell them like, hey, look, you know, this is how it is, this is what's going on. We're gonna work our best to get it, you know, done and make it happen for you guys. So with that being said, this is almost on its final point here, so I'm gonna drop this camera down real quick. We're gonna swap this sheet out. It has about 4 pieces left on it. Then we're gonna start cutting the 4s, start bending them, and just do this whole cycle all over again. Here we go. All right, we just cut a whole bunch more battery racks right now. We got the guys buzzing away back there on the welders, bending up a whole bunch of arms. Man, I think we just added to like the sheet right now. We just cut 2 more sheets, so that's about 20 now. So we're gonna definitely need a restock on 3/16. But for right now, that's gonna pretty much do it for me, guys. I am done filming on this video. I got a lot more stuff to do, and it's hard to do with this camera in my hand. So appreciate you guys all. Thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing. We'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one. I'm out.